So we're going to start off our second half of the evening with Farine Paris-Meyer, and her presentation, Thoughts on the Heart. Farine.
I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit. Your daughter's this radiant, tall goddess coming in at a nice 5'2". Before I start, I just want to take a moment to show gratitude for all the storytellers this evening. It is not easy to come up on stage and put yourself out there. It comes with such a risk, hoping that people will hold your story. So to those that have brought their full selves and those that will after this presentation, thank you. Because I was at the library today and it says, in the end, we all become stories, right? So, yeah. Let's do this. No, I won't let you, my Black queen, question your beauty, your warmth, your grace. No, not today, my Black queen. Do not be apologetic for how you show up in this space. From the moment that I can remember, my Black Haitian heart has had to gift myself affirmations that I believe are medicine to do this thing called life, to get out of bed. Because unfortunately, no matter how I might see my love and my worth, there are different identities we all hold as humans that are making people put stories on us that may not be ours. I come before you as a proud Haitian daughter of immigrant parents. I come as one, but I stand as 10,000, representing the first Black republic to get their independence back from colonizers in 1804. Right? I try so much to remind myself why I am my ancestors' wildest dreams, that Black is beautiful, that we are worthy, because less than 150 years ago, this country only saw me as 3/5. And I think sometimes when I'm in a conversation with someone, or when I'm trying to be that empowering person for my daughters of color, or when I'm trying to literally put myself in the streets and fight for what I feel is injustices happening right here in the Queen City, I feel the interactions one might have with me as if I'm only 3/5. Forgetting that we as human hold things. I am not shy about, I move through this world with anxiety and depression, counting on a pill daily to help me do this thing called life that loves to turn us upside and down and left and right. And yes, I wish that I could anchor all my energy in thriving. But it seems like these environments that I find myself in simply want to keep me in survival mode. There's this beautiful poem by this poet named Queen Wahid, and she says, all the women in me are tired. You know, and there are so many folks who might identify as women in this room. So it's like, oh, as a woman, I'm tired, but also as a Black woman, I'm tired. And as a mother, I'm tired. And as a business owner, I am tired. As someone who is in the street saying, please see me and my community as more than 3/5. I'm exhausted. But I am no longer accepting the things I cannot change, because that prescription to life is bullshit. Because if we do that, we will be in this constant circle of pain and in compassion and not reminding that we are all worthy of love. And so I channel my Angela Davis, fro fist out. I do what I can. I'm a storyteller. I'm someone who believes in the power of stories. You are sitting in a space that has been a storytelling home for me and other amazing brown and Black storytellers when we would convene in this space, reminding each other again why we are our ancestors' wildest dreams. But I find myself, even though I know my calling and my gift is to use this craft, my heart, my stories, vulnerability, I have no problem you seeing inside my heart. But I just hope that what I'm showing you within my heart won't be used to weaponize against me. Because I, like so many others, am searching for love. I, like so many others, have done the challenges and the obstacles and all the various things to show up here and be like, see me, love me, choose me. And I'm so grateful for spaces like this, for stages, whether it's your standard stage like this one or ones that I have found on the sailboats of Whistling Man Schooner right on Lake Champlain, every summer gifting 50 Black Vermonters a 2-hour storytelling sail, reminding them, do you hear the theme? You are your ancestors' wildest dreams. Because too often, though I want to swim and back float, and do strokes in what I know is amazing Black joy, Black excellent, Black art, where we come together and we exist as we are so deserving of. I try my best to remind organizations in this community, do you just want to be a business in the community? Or do you want to be a community business? And I'm so grateful for the love notes that you can send emails blindly, like zero gravity, and say, hi, do you know something called Loving Day? You make beer, I spread love, let's collaborate. For those who might dabble at Hotel Vermont, you may have tasted my signature Haitian rum cake. For some, it's just a piece of cake, but that too is telling a story of what it means. In this moment, I can't wave a wand and take all your problems away, but I made this love with cake and intentions, and I hope that it can gift you a sweet moment. I am trying my best to say yes to the different assignments this community wants to give me because I exist here. I'm raising kids here. I'm a taxpayer. I'm a neighbor. I'm so many different things. So yes, I will take the call. I will be your speaker for Juneteenth. I will show up and create dinner series that slow us down to do this, what's happening in this moment, that we are so many layers and fabrics of these vibrant patterns that bring us in how we exist today. And I truly believe, one story at a time, that we can make a difference. But then all of a sudden I'm caught and an obstacle is thrown in my way. This image, I still haven't healed from this image because less than 2 years ago, someone wrote the N-word on my car. And I asked myself, what is it about how loud I love or how I exist or how I want to speak truths that people are in denial about? But you know what? That's not mine to hold because I'm here. I know who I am. I am the ancestry again of the first Black Republic to say no thank you. And I know that I am deserving of not just surviving, but thriving at this thing called life because I come here with deep love. Thank you.